Hi, today we're going to go through the settings for the Gpad G10. This will be my third video related to the Gpad G10, and what I want to show you here is basically your settings where you can all the settings that you can adjust and modify, customize for your needs or your liking. I'm going to open it. That way the kids do not start changing the settings. As you can see, you can go through wireless networks. You will click that and you got different options. Wireless network, Wi-Fi is connected to my Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi settings, which you can click and manage your settings. Alright, this is what is available, or whatever I have had, and what choices you wanted to have. Go back and VPN settings, mobile network, that's for your 3G connection. Silent display, here you can select silent mode, which is what I have. The silent mode is this one. When you click that, unclick it, then system notifications will sound. It's usually like a sound, like a ringtone, or something like that is what it does. That's to just alerts basically. Media volume, which right now I have it there, but you can move it to where you want it to be. And I don't know if you were able to hear. That's the system notifications. That's so you can see how loud you are. Ringtones, which I have enabled, blah blah. And HDMI setting out, composite setting, that way it goes out. When you're gonna go out with your HDMI mini plug to your TV, here you will come, and right now there's no output selected, so you will come and click HDMI and it will go on your TV when you have your cable connected. The brightness of the screen, I have it set to real low. You can actually increase it a lot to what I have, so I'd rather have it like that. I can see the screen rather clear, and I can save some battery. A battery on this thing usually lasts about 4 hours of use, and it's a pretty good lengthy time. It will let you watch a full movie, no problem. Applications. When you go to applications, here you can manage all your applications from here. Unknown sources, that's if you download something that is not in the market and you download it to a USB or something, that way, or the SD card, you can go ahead and install it. If you have this unselected, unless it is from the Android market, it won't let you install it. When you click on manage applications, you will see that all the applications pop up. That's everything that you have installed, every app that you have installed on your system, and you can go and select it. And as you browse and you select, we're gonna select. Let's see. Let's pick something. Droids of the Dead. That's a game that I downloaded, and I don't use much, so I'm just gonna go through the motions on how to install the an application. That way, it's rather simple. You come out to a page with the details of the app. You click uninstall, and it's gonna ask you for permission, and then you're gonna select yes. Go ahead and uninstall it, and then it's gonna tell you uninstall, finish, and you click OK, and you're set to go. And that application is not there anymore, so it has free data, that memory. When you go to real quick to another section, is the SD card. On the SD card, you can see the total, your totals on the SD card, and on the device storage. This reading is incorrect. I don't know why, but it does not have 81.26 empty. Out of 2 gigabytes, I probably got about a gigabyte and a half, if not better, of available space. But I don't know why the reading here is not correct. I'll try to figure out and fix it. total space is 14.83. That's what I have on the SD card, which is a 16 gigabyte, and available right now I got 13.10. So that means I got some room to play around. Unmount the SD card. That's if you want to remove it, you go ahead and unmount it. That way you can pull it safely out. You will not lose your files. Account and system privacy. That's for you to set up date and time. You can select, just in case you have it wrong, but you can select and set up your time and your date, as you can see. And then about the device, this will tell you what the device if battery usage. You open it and it will tell you who is using what out of the battery. As you can see, idle is consuming most of the time, and then the display is the second one, and Wi-Fi is the 20th. It's a very demanding Wi-Fi wise firmware version, the kernel version, and the build number. That's information on your device, and that's pretty much what I can see on settings. Some of this is reversible, some of it is not. Use my location for Google search. I'm not going to use my location just for privacy. You can unselect that. I back up my settings as to, and this one is a factory data reset. I tried it once and it works. It basically takes it back to the way you got it. I have made several changes, and I have installed several pieces of applications that that could potentially bring stuff to it that could cause some issues and some damages. Well, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you real quick. Hopefully you can understand a little bit better of what you can do with your pad. Thank you for joining me and for watching.